Hello, friends. Welcome to Basic Reminders for Life. As a human being, we all need encouragement and appreciation. We can't wait for the people around us to applaud us always. Sometimes we have to applaud ourselves. In the same way, it is our responsibility to keep ourselves happy. As someone said, live each day of your life as it is your last day. We must not wait for others to make us happy. Try to find out reasons for your own happiness. Celebrate every single improvement and learn from each of your mistakes. Don't be your own critic. Rather, try to be your own cheerleader. When you will tell your mind about your good things, it gets stored in your mind and hence change your attitude. If you love yourself, then only you can love others. Moreover, victory starts in your mind. If you believe yourself and has faith in the power of Almighty God, then He only will take you out from every negative situation and you will see yourself overcoming your fears and getting success in every field of your life. Remember, you were created to win. You were not created to be stagnant. Don't replay the negative images in your mind. Rather, replay your accomplishments and always remember what all good God has done in your life and then keep moving forward. Whenever you will try to do something good, you will face challenges, obstacles, and discouragements. But don't let them stop you in any way. If you will come out of your comfort zone, then only you will recognize your hidden talents. Your past experiences have prepared you for where you are right now, and your experiences today will prepare you for your future. Look for success every day. Life is lived one day at a time, and the best way to prepare for tomorrow is to live at your very best today. Success happens when preparation meets opportunity. So, if you really have the passion towards your goal in life, God will definitely give you opportunities to move ahead and achieve that goal. Have faith in God. He always prepared you for whatever He has planned for you and has already put inside you, whatever is required for your progress. If you need hope, determination, encouragement, or strength, find that inside yourself. I have seen many things changing in my life and have learned a lesson that nothing lasts for long and every situation changes at its planned time. We all have an option to accept these changes as they come and always be thankful to God. Life is a journey. You will meet different people in it and will learn from every experience. So keep stretching, keep growing, and keep learning. Thank you.